Hello.
Hey.
Are you KB?
Yeah, I'm KB.
Nice to meet you. I'm Aaron.
Nice to meet you, Aaron.
Could you just tell me about yourself?
أب أمريكا تداهليكم أب UK تداهليكم أوروبا كمون أب كندا زلكم أحوات.
Okay, would you mind sharing what are some of your weaknesses? So why do you want this job? Okay, can you tell me some of your strengths? Hi, KB.
Hey.
Thanks for coming in.
Thanks a lot.
Yeah, grab a seat.
Oh, thanks a lot. سلام كم يغنيكم قال مሕትት ስራሕ ክትጽውዑ ከለኹም ትጭነቁ ዶ ብዙሓት ሰባት እንግሊዘኛ ስለ ዝፈርሑ ጥራይ ብዙሕ ናይ ስራሕ ዕድል የምልጦም ኣብ ቃል መሕትት ዝለዓላ ሸውዓተ ቁልፊ ሕቶታት ነቶም ኣስራሕቲ ዘደንቕ መልሲ ከመይ ጌርኩም ከም ትህብዎም ክንምሃር ኢና እዞም መልስታት እዚኦም ዝተቆጸርካ ኢኻ you are hired ንክበሃለኩም መንገዲ ዝጸርጉ እዮም እስካብ መወዳእታ ምሳይ የጽንሑ.
All right, so the first question I have is could you just tell me about yourself?
Oh yeah, my name is Guide KB. I study tourism and I work as a tour guide for about 3 years. I have 3 years work experience and I'm dedicated. I always try to work on myself. I am committed. Yeah, I really want to work in every kind of situations. ናይ መጀመርያ ሕቶ tell me about yourself. ከምዚ ቪድዮ ዝረኣናዩ ናይ መጀመርያ ሕቶ ኣብ ማንም ዓይነት ስራሕ ሕቶ tell me about yourself. ማለት እውን ብዛዕባኻ ንገረኒ ብዛዕባ ዓርስኻ ንገረኒ ማለት እዩ ሶ ኣብዚ ክትምልስዎ ዝግበአኩም ናይ መጀመርያ ስምኻ እዩ ብምቕጻል ድማ ትምህርቲ ናይ ትምህርቲ ደረጃኻ ሳሳይ ድማ ተመክሮኻ ወይ ድማ ናይ ስራሕ ልምድኻ ሶ ናይ መጀመርያ ክትምልስ ከለኻ my name is ኢልኻ ስምኻ ትእቱ my name is Guide KB, my name is ሓጎስ, my name is ራሄል እናበልኩም ስምኩም ትእትልኹም ማለት እዩ ብምቕጻል ድማ I study ኢልኩም ዝተምሃርኩም ዓይነት ትምህርቲ ኣብዚ ትእትልኹም so I study tourism እናበልኩም ትእትልኹም ማለት እዩ so I have experience ኢልኩም ድማ ልምድኹም ናይ ልምዲ ዓይነት 3 ዓመት ልምዲ እንተሃልይኹም I have 3 years work experience ትብለልኹም ማለት እዩ.
So why do you want this job?
I want this job because I'm very interested and I feel like I can help you mission your goals and I have really interest in your company. تخليت حتى دما why do you want this job? So why do you want this job? ዝብለኩም ሰብ እዚ ስራሕ እዚ ንምንታይ ደሊኻዩ ኣብዚ ናይ ትካቱ መልስ ክኸውን ዝግብኦ ምስቱ ስራሕ ዘለኩም ፍቕሪ ኢኹም ክትገልጹ ዝግብአኩም I want this job because I'm very interested ትብሉ ብዛዕባ እዚ ስራሕ ዘለኩም ፍቕሪ ከም ትፈትውዎ ኢኹም ኣብዚ ክትዝርዝሩ ዝግብአኩም ማለት እዩ.
Okay, can you tell me some of your strengths?
Yeah, right. So my main strength is communication. You know, I can work with different type of people and I can work under pressure. You know, that's my main strength is I'm flexible. What are your strengths? So what are your strengths? ማለት እውን ጠንካራ ጎንኻ እንታይ እዩ ማለት እዩ. ኣብዚ ክትምልስዎ ዝግበአኩም ሰባት ዘለኩም ርክብ ከመይ ከም ተኣልይዎ ችግር ዝተፈጠረ ከመይ ከም ተኣልይዎ ኢኹም ክትዛረቡ ዝግበአኩም. So my strength is communication ትብለልኹም. My strength is communication and I can solve problem easily. I can solve problem easily. ችግር ከጋጥም ከሎ በቀሊሉ እየ ማለት እዩ. ኣብዚ ናይ ኻቱን ጠንካራ ጎኒ ትብልዎ ሰባት ዘለኩም ርክብ ችግር ክፍጠር ከሎ ከመይ ከም ትፈትሕዎ ኢኹም ትገልጽልኹም ማለት እዩ.
Would you mind sharing what are some of your weaknesses?
My biggest weakness is I sometimes focus on small details. So I just focus on small details and waste my time on that. Right, حتى قصر 4 what are your weaknesses? What are your weaknesses? እዚ ማለት እውን ድኽመትካ እንታይ እዩ ማለት እዩ. ኣብዚ ሓቀኛ ክትኸውን ኣለካ ግን ድማ ከመይ ጌርካ ክትፈርቶ ከም ዘለካ እውን ክትናገር ክትዛረብ ኣለካ. ኣብነት ናይ ግዜ ኣጠቓቕማ ክኾን ክእል እዩ ናይ ቋንቋ ችግር ከዚ ናይ ቋንቋ ችግር ኣለኒ ግን ከም ሓይሾ ይጽዕር ኣለኹ ኢልካ ሓቀኝነት ክትዛረብ ኣለካ.
Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
Where I see myself in 5 years is to be a member of this company and having more responsibility and having more positions. Like I want to be in a higher position and one of well paid in the company. It's my plan in 5 years. ቁጥሪ 5 እንታይ ትብለና ኣላ? Where do you see yourself in 5 years? Where do you see yourself in 5 years? ማለት እውን ኣብዚ 5 ዓመት እዚ ኣብ ምንታይ ክትበጽሕ ትደሊ ማለት እዩ. ኣብዚ ክትገልጽ ዝግበአካ ነገር ምስቲ ትካል ክትዓቢ ከም ትደሊ ብደንብ ጌርካ ክትረድኦም ኣለካ. So in 5 years, I want to grow the company. I want to be a member of the team. I want to take more responsibility. እናበልካ ምስ ትካል ክትዓቢ ከም እትደሊ ሓላፍነት ክበሃወካ ከም እትደሊ ክትገልጸለካ ማለት እዩ።
So why should we hire you?
You should hire me because I am the exact person you're looking for. I have the right experience and I will contribute for this company. And I will do everything to help this company to be in a higher position. That's why you hire me.
Okay.
All right, question number 6. Why should we hire you? So why should we hire you? So hire ማለቱን ምቁጻር እዩ. So why should we hire you? ስለምንታይ ንዓኻ ንቆጽረካ? So ስለምንታይ ንዓኻ ንቆጽረካ ክብልካ ከለው ኣብዚ ርእሰ ምትእምማን ይሃልኻ. ንዓኻ ብምቁጻሮም እቲ ካምፓኒ ተጠቃሚ ከም ዝኸውን ኢኻ ክትገልጽ ዘለካ. ንዓየ ብምቁጻርኩም ካምፓኒኩም ተጠቃሚ ክኾን እዩ. እዚ ብእንግሊሽ ክትገልጽ ከለኻ ድማ you should hire me because I have the exact experience. ንዓይ ክትቆጽሩኒ ኣለኩም ምክንያቱም ኣነ እቲ ዘድሊ ልምዲ ኣለኒ እዩ. ኢልካ ዓርሲ ኣምነትካ ኣብዚ ክተርእዮም ክትኽእል ኣለካ ማለት እዩ. ንዓኻ ብምቁጻሮም ክትጥቀሙ ከም ዝኽእሉ ብደንቢ ጌርካ ክትረድኦም ኣለካ. I have the exact experience. I love the job. ስራሕ ፎቶ እየ ካምፓኒኩም ፎቶ እየ because I love your company. ናበልካ ዓርስኻ ብዓርሲ ተኣማንነት ንዓኻ ክቆጽሩካ ከም ዘለዉ ክትእምኖም ክትኽእል ኣለካ.
Last question I have for you. Do you have any questions for me?
Yeah, I do have a question. Would you please tell me more about this team, about this company? ሕቶ ቁጽሪ 7 ድማ do you have a question for us? Do you have a question for us? ማለት እውን ሕቶ ኣለካ ዶ እዮም ዝብልካ ዘለዉ. ሕቶ ኣለካ ዶ ኣብዚ የብለይን ከይትብል تحتت لك بزعبا تقول بزعبا مسرا بيت بزعبا تسرح تحتت لك انت yes could you tell me about this work experience? Could you tell me more about your company? نابلغا حطوتات كتحتم كتقل لك.
Hey everybody, I'm here to share with you 3 tips from the perspective of someone who's done job interviews. I'm a Canadian, so if you are doing a job interview in America, Canada, or UK, these are going to be helpful for you. I've interviewed people from African countries, from all different parts of the world.
Yeah, እሺ ኣብ ኣሜሪካ እንተዳሃልይኹም ኣብ ዩኬ እንተዳሃልይኹም ኣውሮፓ ከምኡውን ኣብ ካናዳ ዘለኹም ኣሕዋት እንታይ ዝብለና ዘሎ ቃለ መሕትት ክትገብሩ ከለኹም ክትሰሓትዎ ዘይግበአኩም ስሕተት ከመይ ጌርኩም ክትመሓሾ ከም ዘለኩም ነገራት ክነግረና ዘሎ እስካ መጨረሻ እሱ ኣብ ኣፍሪካ ካልኦት ሰባት እውን ንብዙሕ ሰባት ቃለ መሕትት ጌረ እዩ ዝብለና ዘሎ.
Okay, tip number 1, don't oversell yourself. As an interviewer, try as you might, I can tell if you're trying to oversell yourself and saying things that aren't true to make yourself look better. This just breaks trust and makes it less likely that you'll get the job.
Yeah. እታ ናይ መጀመርያ እንታይ ዝብለና ዘሎ ንባዕልኩም ካብ ዝግባእ ብላዕሊ ኣይትግለጹ ዝብለና ዘሎ ንባዕልኩም don't sell yourself. በቃ ካብ ዝግባእ ንባዕልኩም ጽቡቕ ክረይኩም ኢልኩም ሰብ ዘይለ ነገር ንዓኻቱም ዘይገልጽ ነገር ክትዛረቡ የብልኩምን እዩ ዝብለና ዘሎ.
Tip number 2, try to be as specific as you can. Don't just tell me general things about your life or your skills or your work experience. I, as the interviewer, want to know specific skills. So think through your experiences, no matter what they are, and try to identify the specific skills that make you a good worker.
Right. So ክትገልጽ ከለኹም እንታይ ዝብለና ዘሎ ክትገልጽ ከለኹም ስፔሲፊክ ግብርዎ. ስፔሲፊክ ማለት እውን ብንጹር ዝፍለጥ ነገር ግብርዎ. ብዛዕባ ዓርስኻ ፋልጥ እናተባሃልካ ካሊእ ዛዕባ ክትዋግዕ ይብልካን ክትዛረብ ይብልካን ይዝብለና ዘሎ. ብንጹር ነገር ዝተሓተትኩማ ነገር መልሱ ይዝብለና ዘሎ.
Okay, the third tip, and this is probably the most important one, and the one I don't see people doing nearly enough of, is you want to share with the interviewer your story, your struggle of maybe you came from a difficult situation back in your home country, and you came to this new country, and share your story, share this, and so it makes it personable. You get to know the interviewer, they get to know you rather, and this helps them see who you are at your core.
Right. እንታይ ዝብለና ዘሎ መብዛሕትኡ ሰባት ዘይገብርዎ ነገር ብዛዕባ ዝመጽዎ ነገር ዝሓለፉ ህይወት ክገልጹ ኣይትዕዘቦምን ኢኻ. So እንታይ ኢኹም ክትገብሩ ዘለኩም ኣብ እዋን ኢንተርቪው ኣብ እዋን ቃለ መሕተት ብዛዕባ ዝመጽኹሞ ህይወት ዝሓለፍኩሞ ችግራት ክትዛረቡ ኣለኩም ክትገልጹ ኣለኩም. ምክንያቱም ዝሰብሱ ምሳኹም ዘለዎ ርክብ ጠንካራ እዩ ዝገብሮ እና ዝሓለፍኩሞ ህይወት ኣብ እዋን ኢንተርቪው ኣብ እዋን ቃለ መሕተት ክትዛረቡ ክትኽእለሉኩም እዩ ዘለና ዘሎ
Okay, great.
Yeah, so good luck. ኣብ ስራሕኩም ዕውታት ከም ትኾኑ ምንም ጥርጣሬ የብለይን ተኸታተልትና እዘን 7 መንገድታት ኣብ ናይ ዩቲዩብ ቻናልና ዘቕርብናየን እዚአን ንዓኻትኩም እውን ክጠቕማየን ንኻልኦት ሰባት እውን ይጠቕማየን ኢልኩም እንተደኣ ሓሲብኩም ሼር ላይክ ብምግባር ንኻልኦት ሰባት ኣካፍልዎም ኢኹም ፅቡቕ ዕድል ይኹነልኩም ኮንግራቹሌሽንስ ሕራይ ተኸታተልትና እዞም 7 ሕቶታት ምስ ኣዳለኹም ዝኾነ ቃለ ምሕተት ንምሕላፍ ድልዋት ኢኹም ትብዓት ይሃልዩኹም ብኮንፊደንስ ብዓርሰ እምነት ዘለኩም ነገር ክእለትኩም ክተውፅእ ክትኽእሉ ኣለኹም እዚ ቪድዮ እዚ ንዓኻትኩም እንተጠቒምኩም ካልኦት ሓዋትኩም ኣዕርክትኩም ሼር ላይክ ኮመንት ብምፅሓፍ ኣበራታትዑኒ ንዓይ ንዓኻትኩም እውን ኣብ ፅቡቕ ደረጃ ክትበፅሑ ዝምነየኩም ኩሉ ሰናይ ዝምነየልኩም ምንም ሕቶ የብለይን ኣብ ዝቐረባ እዚ بلس اسرح نعخ زقبئك انا اخ زقبئك اسرح كم ترخبوا من محتي بلين كل سنه يزمني لكم يغني لي حنكنو